Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your PlayStation app on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is by using BlueStacks. So we need to head on over to BlueStacks.com, and if you don't have it, go ahead and click on download BlueStacks. I've got a video on how to do this, so just search tutorial with BlueStacks install. I'm going to be the first results, and you can follow that if you're not sure how to download and install it. Now, once we've done that, we need to go ahead and open up BlueStacks. So open up search and type in BlueStacks store, and then it should open up. Alright, so I've opened up BlueStacks. Now simply just go ahead and search for PlayStation and click on PlayStation app, and then from here you want to go ahead and click on play on app player. So that's going to open up a new app player where you can sign into your account and use PlayStation. A little load screen is going to happen like this where it says starting BlueStacks. So if you don't have it started, just give that a few moments to run. Okay, so click on the PS app because I reckon I've already installed it in my app player. So just go ahead and click onto that, and now it should open up your PlayStation app where you can sign in. So just give that a few moments to load. Now from here, just go ahead and click onto sign in. And now simply log in with your PSN account, and then you're ready to access messages, friends, trophies, and store features all from your PC.